Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Bella and today I'm going to walk you through a craft. So I'm just going to go pick from this little box on the wall. And it looks like we're going to make a bird feeder. So it looks like I need my supplies, so okay, I'm ready now. What I got is a pine cone for the bird feeder, and my mom already tied a string to it because we have to hang it on a tree. So then you'll need some peanut butter, a butter knife, and some bird seed. So first, you're gonna take your pine cone. Wait, you'll need this and the peanut butter. And you'll take your butter knife and put it in the peanut butter, the very delicious looking peanut butter, and put it on all these pine cones. What are these called? I don't know, but pine cone flat petals. And just put them on every one. Yeah, this is going to take a little bit, so we're going to have to fast forward this because this is going to take a little. Does that look pretty good? Oh, I think I need this way just a little bit much. Okay. So that was messy, but it's okay because it's peanut butter and I can have a snack. And then you're gonna dip it in your bird seed. And it's gonna stick to that peanut butter. And you're gonna shake off the excess. And there's your bird feeder. And well, we're gonna need to put it somewhere, so let's just go. Okay, this is the perfect spot because there's already a nest right here. So, it looks like a sturdy branch. So I'm just gonna tie it in. This is a pretty long string, so it's kind of hard to tie. I'm gonna make sure it's on good. And then I'll just... Okay, it looks about done. I'm just gonna... There, so there's the bird feeder. So make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.